Hey everyone, it's Julie. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make vegetable rice. You'll need 2 cups of water, 1 cup of brown rice, 1 carrot diced, 1 celery stalk diced, 1 tablespoon of red onion diced, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 2 garlic cloves grated, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. In a small saucepan on high heat, add the extra virgin olive oil and allow it to heat up for about a minute. Then add the brown rice with the sea salt. Toast the rice for about a minute, mixing it around. Then you're going to add the carrots, celery, onions, sea salt, oregano, thyme, garlic, and you're going to stir. Add the water and bring it to the boil. Once it is boiling, lower the heat to low and cover the saucepan. Allow it to cook covered under stir for about 40 minutes on low heat. After the 40 minutes have passed, uncover the saucepan. Using your spoon, turn the rice over to its other side. Cover the lid and cook the rice for another 10 minutes, and it's ready to enjoy.